going on, y'all? This your boy Chevy 254, man, and you tuned in for another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one.
Make sure you click that bell icon so you get all the notifications. And of course, make sure you subscribe too. First subscribe, then click the bell icon. Let's get into it.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so you may look over here and say, what the fuck is the seat doing out the Caprice? Well, we don't want to mess up the seats. We get ready to put in the roof. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see, we got the interior out. Getting ready to get it ready for the skin. So we did went ahead and trace that here on these poster boards. And we did that because this was flatter. Be easier when we put it up there and get ready to cut. So yeah, pretty much self-explanatory. Went to the outside, so make sure you don't want to cut too small. So give yourself some room. You know what I'm saying? I got the doctor over here with me. So that's why I say I didn't want to chance messing this up. He's a professional at what he does. You know what I'm saying? So brought in the subject matter expert on this one. So alright, next, moving this up on the roof. Get it cutting. Alright, so as y'all can see, we got our template cut out, put it up on the roof. Had to make a couple adjustments to make it sit exactly where we wanted to sit. But now you can see barely. I was saying the line is gonna be cut. I'm saying all the way around it. Get y'all higher up view all the way around. Yeah. About that time. Next step, time to operate. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Chevy 254, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is their inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. So as you can see, we've tack welded it in. She good to go. Grind down the little wells. Get ready to fill it in with body filler Bondo, aka, well, Bondo and Rondo. A little bit of everything. Summer 2020, here we come. % left. So this is day 2. We got it in last night. We pretty much got everything done last night, but we was so goddamn hot and tired and frustrated and shit. We just stopped recording. Well, I just stopped recording. So we finna fill in our imperfections, high low spots, get it all balanced out with us in there. Get out of the view around it. Let's see this. It's looking good, looking good. So yeah, I guess we can go ahead and show them. Yeah, we'll go ahead and give them a little bit of live action. I don't know why I was doing it. Probably that battery. Yeah. Well, she in there, she moving. Yeah. But then, like, I hit the button again and it come up. So, yeah, when the car is on, it don't do all that extra. But let's get us back to this body work. Catch y'all back on. Almost dead. Alright, so as you can see, hit it with the 60, then went back with the 80. It ain't perfect, but you know who he is. Sprayway perfect. He'll say that he's not, but he's a god in these paint body streets. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go ahead and prime this bitch and